In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your GoHighLevel calendar using CSS. This is a great way to make sure that your calendar not only fits your brand's aesthetic, but also functions exactly the way you want it to. We'll walk through each step together, so don't worry if you're not a CSS expert. You'll get the hang of it in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your central hub for all things GoHighLevel, so becoming familiar with navigating it can be a real time saver. Next, you'll want to focus on either the Sites or Websites section, depending on where you initially embedded your calendar. Within this section, you'll see options like Funnels or Websites, allowing you to navigate to the specific location of your calendar's page. Once you've found the right page that contains your calendar, it's time to make some edits. You'll open the page editor and visually locate where the calendar is embedded. This might feel like searching for a needle in a haystack if you have a lot on that page, but take your time and ensure you've selected the correct calendar element. This is crucial because any changes you make will apply specifically to the selected calendar instance. With your calendar element now selected, direct your attention to the settings panel located on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll encounter a variety of options that let you tweak different calendar features. Among these is the Custom CSS section. It's like a magical door where you can input your CSS code to transform your calendar's appearance and functionality. You'll want to paste your custom CSS code into this section. Whether you've crafted this code yourself or received it from a trusted source, double check to ensure everything is copied correctly. Tiny mistakes like misplaced brackets or semicolons can lead to unexpected results, so it's worth having an extra careful eye here. Once you've pasted the code, it's time to save your changes. You'll click the Save button to make sure everything you've done isn't lost. Immediately after saving, you should hit Publish to push these updated changes live to your site. This not only makes sure you're seeing the most up-to-date version of your calendar, but also ensures anyone visiting your site will see the changes as well. There you have it. You have successfully customized your GoHighLevel calendar using CSS. Remember, customizing your calendar can greatly enhance user experience and ensure everything aligns seamlessly with your brand's style. If you need to make further adjustments or fine-tune your CSS, don't hesitate to revisit these steps. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.